Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our chapter. The name of the chapter is Heat. First of all, you must know what is heat. Definition of heat is a form of energy that gives us sensation of what? It is a form of energy that gives a sensation of warmth. Now you have to know that how heat used to flow from one body to another body. For this we will do an experiment. What you have to do, take three beakers. Take three beakers. In that three beaker, in first beaker, you have to take hot water. In beaker 2, you have to take tap water, that is normal water. And in beaker C, you have to take cold water. Cold water. Now, what you will observe, what you have to do, first try to dip your hand in hot water. Try to dip your hand in hot water. What you will see? You will see that you are feeling, your hand will feel hot. Now, why you are feeling hot? Because now you will see that the temperature of hot water is more than that of the temperature of hand. The temperature, more temperature, hot water, more temperature, and in cold water, temperature is less. So we can say that the temperature of hot water, it is more hotter than the hand. That's why heat used to flow from the water to the hand. Heat used to flow from water to the hand. That's why we are feeling hot. Now, second. Now try to put the hand in the cold water. Now you will see that which temperature is more. Then you will see that temperature here is less, more. Now temperature of cold water is less, temperature of your hand is more as compared to your cold water. Now heat will flow from hand to the cold water. Heat used to flow from hand to the cold water. That's why you are feeling cold. Now you will get the sensation of cold because heat is flowing from hand to the cold water. Now try this experiment with tap water. When you are putting your tap water, temperature of your body and temperature of tap water is almost same. Both the temperature is almost same. That means we can see that there is no heat flow. That's why we are feeling that it is neither hot or cold. Neither hot or cold. Now, about the heat. Here, I have told you when we are learning about the heat, hot water to cold water. Now, some examples. Because without examples, you can't able to understand. Some examples. Number 1, summer season. Number 1, summer season. In nowadays, we are having a summer season, And in summer season, the temperature of outside is more as compared to our body. The temperature of outside is more as compared to our body. Our normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, but the temperature of the outside atmosphere is more. That's why heat used to flow from outside to our body. When heat is flowing from outside to our body, that means we are feeling heat. Here we can say outside to our body, heat is flowing. Now, what about the winter season? What about the winter season? In winter season, our temperature is more as compared to the outside atmospheric temperature. That time, heat used to flow from body to outside. That's why we are feeling when the heat will come from outside to our body, this is heat, then we will feel hot. But when the temperature, heat will flow from our body to the outside, then we will feel cold. Okay. Third, woolen clothes. Why woolen clothes? Makes to feel that we are feeling warm, because woolen clothes, just like sweater, jacket and other things, so what they used to do, when we are wearing a woolen cloth, they used to trap the air inside that. Them. When they are using to trap the air inside them, they does not allow the heat from our body to flow outside. They does not allow the heat from our body to flow outside and makes that we are feeling warm. Next, now more examples we can see. Earthen pot. What is earthen pot? The pot that you are using that does not allow the outside heat to enter. Inside the pot due to the seepage of the water outside the pot, and we are getting the cold water from the pot. Now, here, what is the unit of heat? What will be the unit of heat? Since heat is a form of energy, and energy means joule. It will be the unit joule. Now, here we have used the word temperature. Now you have to know that what do you mean by temperature? Temperature is the measure of hotness or coldness of a body. Temperature is the measure of hotness or coldness of a body. We used to say that when we are having the fever, then we used to measure our body heat by the body temperature by the help of thermometer. That time we used to say that our body is having this much temperature. Now, while measuring the temperature, we are having two types of thermometer. Temperature can be measured by the heat. Temperature can be measured by the help of. It can be measured by the help of thermometer. It can be measured by the help of thermometer. Thermometer is a device that is used to measure the temperature. There are two types of thermometer. There are two types of thermometer. First thermometer is clinical thermometer. And second one is laboratory thermometer. What is the difference between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer? Clinical thermometer is used to measure the human body temperature. Human body temperature means living things. Human body temperature or living things, you can say. Laboratory thermometer is used to measure the temperature of liquid or chemicals. When we are measuring in the clinical thermometer, the unit is Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit. Only Fahrenheit. But when we are measuring in the laboratory thermometer, we are taking Celsius. We are taking the Celsius. Just like that, we can say that human body temperature, human normal body temperature is 37.6 degrees Celsius or 97 approx degree Fahrenheit. But boiling, if you will take boiling point of water, when you are taking the boiling point of water, it is 100 degrees Celsius. When we are taking freezing point of water, that is 0 degree Celsius. So we are using the Celsius or Fahrenheit. One more unit is there, that is known as Kelvin. 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. This is the relationship between Kelvin and Celsius scale. Now, this is sufficient for today. Now, once we will revise what we have learned today, we have learned about the heat. Heat is a form of energy which gives us sensation of warmth. After that, we have learned that how heat used to flow from our body. Heat used to flow from hotter body to the colder body. Heat used to flow from hotter body to the colder body. After that, we have learned about the temperature. Temperature is the measurement of hotness or coldness of a body. Temperature can be measured by the Celsius scale or Fahrenheit scale. Celsius scale we are using in the laboratory, Fahrenheit scale for the human clinical thermometer. And we have learned about the two types of thermometer, clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. This is sufficient for today. In our next video, we will learn about the land bridge and sea bridge.